Children, what did you eat today? All of them. Very good. What did you eat today?
Mysore bun.
But I like only fast food, only rice. నేను మార్నింగ్ టిఫిన్ ఉంటుంది ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళు కూడా అప్లై కాబట్టి అవకాశం ఉండదు కాబట్టి మీరైతే ఇడ్లీ అంటున్నారు వడ అంటున్నారు అన్నీ అంటున్నారు నేను మాత్రం రైస్ తీసుకుంటాను. Did you eat banana? Yes. Which color is banana? Yellow. Dear children, what is this?
Mango.
This? Which color is this? Which color is?
Yellow.
It is yellow. It's writing written to writing written to yellow. అదే మంచిగా ఉన్నప్పుడు which color is?
Green.
Green mango. Children, we are going to discuss a new lesson today about fruits. See this content? Please open your books, page number 62. All of you students, open your books, page number 62. See this picture. What did we see in this picture? One by one, I ask. Every children one way. First of all, menu. Very good. Easy to eat. Peel the banana and then eat. చాలా easy. It is very sweet. Okay, let's continue. In your village, which foods are available? All of the students, any student answer. Very good. Please, available in your village. Very good.
బడికి రమ్మన్నారు రాకపోతే
properly and correctly in my question. Very good, better. Now, I think writing by my mode, first of all, and then next, all together. Apple, red. Apple, red and green. Next, all our students with me, all together, play the right. Sorry, sing the right. Apple, green apple. Apple, green apple. Mango, king of fruits. Mango, king of fruits. Banana, peel the banana. Banana, peel and eat. Banana, peel and eat. Guava, soft and dry. Guava, soft and dry. Papaya, orange. And green. Pomegranate, you can eat. Orange and lemon, sour and sweet. Okay. Now, all of students with me. Apple, red and green. Apple, red and green. Apple, red and green. Apple, red and green. Mango, king of the fruits. Mango, king of fruits. Green. Just green. Mango, king of fruits. Mango, king of fruits. Banana, peel and eat. Banana, peel and eat. Banana, peel and eat. Banana, peel and eat. Guava, soft and red. Papaya, orange and green. Papaya, orange and green. Pomegranate, eat and eat. Pomegranate, good to eat. Orange and lemon, sour and sweet. Orange and lemon, sour and sweet. Okay, that's it. ఎలా ఉందంటే మన చేతిలో ఫ్లాష్ కార్డ్ సాగుతుంది రెడీ తీసుకుంటున్నాము వాటి మీద ఫ్రూట్స్ సంబంధించిన నేమ్స్ క్లాస్ అడుగుతూ ఉంటారు. What is this? This fruit which is banana. Which is banana. What is this? This is a fruit. Which name is? Mango. What is this? This is a fruit. Which name is? Orange. What is this? It's a fruit. Its name is banana. And what is this? It's a fruit. Its name is papaya. What is this? It's a fruit. Its name is what is this? Cherry. Its name is it's a fruit. Its name is cherry. What is this?
Strawberry.
Is this available in your village?
No.
Why?
Right.
Very good.
Right.
అదే మన గ్రామాల్లో తక్కువగా పండుగలు అంటే ప్రదేశాలు పండుగ కాబట్టి మన కాయలు పెట్టి one student come to me. Jahanavi, agar an example. Very good girl. Sit down. Josna, मगर तेरे ग्राफ पता नहीं बाग आंसर नहीं उसको हाँ ये माँ से सनी अब ये You like any good in this? I like Canada. But why? Meat is very good. It is sweet in taste. Very good one. Lesson is completed, but another lesson is next to reason, next class. So now this time evaluate. I asked some questions about fruits. We learned. Now we learn. Pomegranate. Is it fruit or vegetable? Very good. Mango. Is it fruit or vegetable? Yes. Oragaya. Kaya. Very good. You are a very brilliant and very good person. Okay, very Now, dear students, I give one project all of you, that is draw the picture of any fruit in your life. మీకు నచ్చినటువంటి ఫ్రూట్ని మీరు మీ బుక్స్లో వేసి దానికి కూడా విచ్ యూ వాంట్ విచ్ యూ లైక్ మీకు ఏది ఇష్టమో ఏది కావాలనుకుంటారో ఏది బాగా తినాలని ఇష్టపడతారో దాన్ని మీరు రాసేసి దానికి కలర్స్ వేయండి. లాస్ట్ వన్స్ మోర్ అగైన్ రైట్. Together, wait. All of you with me. Apple, apple, green apple.
Apple, apple, red apple.
Apple, apple, red apple.
Apple, apple, red apple.
Mango, mango, king of fruits.
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 Banana, banana, peel and eat.
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 Guava, guava, soft and dry.
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 Papaya, papaya, orange and green.
Papaya, papaya, orange and green.
Pomegranate, pomegranate, good candy.
Pomegranate, pomegranate, good candy.
Orange and lemon, sour and sweet.
Orange and lemon, sour and sweet.
Okay. Anyway, thank you. Bye.